Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your Shopify account and registrar details for linking. Keep your Shopify store URL and domain registrar login ready before starting. Confirm where you control DNS records at your domain provider website or dashboard. Set a TTL of 3,600 seconds for DNS records when the option exists to speed updates. Choose whether to transfer the domain or simply point it to Shopify servers. Decide now if you will remove old hosting records to avoid conflicts later. Gather the admin credentials and open both dashboards in separate browser tabs. Log into your domain registrar DNS management panel to modify records. Point the router record to Shopify IP 23, 227, 38, 65 exactly without extra characters. Create a CNAME record for the host www pointing to shops, Shopify.com to handle web traffic. Remove any conflicting O or CNAME records for the root or www that could block connections. Set TTL values to 3,600 seconds to encourage quicker propagation of these changes. Save and apply the DNS changes immediately to start the update process. Open Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then Domains to add your domain. Use the Verify button in Shopify to confirm DNS settings and ownership immediately. Once verified, choose and set the primary domain so customers see a single URL. Shopify will provision SSL certificates automatically after verification for HTTPS support. Expect SSL and full propagation to complete in roughly 24 to 48 hours after DNS changes. Consider transferring the domain to Shopify if you prefer unified billing and DNS management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.